Hello guys, welcome to back my new video. If you are a new one, so subscribe my channel. Don't forget, like and share. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Paris! Just the name brings so many pictures, sounds and feelings to mind. Close your eyes for a second and imagine accordion music floating on the air, the smell of warm bread from a bakery, the gentle splash of the Seine river against the walls. Paris is a city that makes you feel alive and steals your heart. It's like a giant artwork made from hundreds of years of history, art and culture. Our trip starts with quiet whispers from the past, coming from the cobblestone streets and big avenues. We'll walk through time, starting with the city's small beginnings, watching its big changes, and ending up in the exciting city of today. Along the way, we'll discover the stories behind famous landmarks, look into important moments in history, and feel the spirit of the City of Light. So, let the music lead us, and the old photos be our doorway as we start this amazing journey through the heart of Paris. Ready? Let's go! Our story starts on a little island in the middle of the Seine River, called the Île de la Cité. Here, a group of people called the Parisii built a village around the 3rd century BC. The Romans, who were making their empire bigger, took over the village and named it Lutetia Parisiorum, the beginning of modern Paris. The Romans left their mark on the city, like the ruins of the Arenes de Lutetia, an old arena, and the Thermes de Cluny, a Roman bath. As more people became Christians, Paris became an important religious city, especially after Notre Dame Cathedral was built in the 12th century, a beautiful Gothic building that still amazes people today. King Philip II helped Paris grow a lot. He made the Louvre into a castle, built roads, and put up city walls, making Paris a big center for learning and culture. The University of Paris, which started around the same time, brought in students from all over Europe, making Paris famous for smart thinking. Making Paris the beautiful city we know today. Until next time, have a great trip.